The problem with buying a new computer nowadays is that RAM prices are getting unreasonable because of AI demand. I can either wait for them to go down, if they ever do, or I can scan all of Amazon for the best prices. I made a bot that checks when prices drop low enough, then immediately it sends me a notification so I can buy before they sell out. I'll show you how to set up this bot so you can do the same with any product you want. The plan is pretty simple. The bot is going to scan for RAMs and then it's going to check the price. If it drops below 300, we immediately get a notification. To set up the bot, you have to clone the GitHub repo, link in the description. Go to code, go to HTTPS, then copy this. Open your terminal up, then you're going to write git clone, then paste the repo over here, then click enter. Then you just have to install these packages. The easiest way to do that is just do pip install /r requirements, then enter. We can easily control the bot to tell it what products we want to scan and at what price we want to receive a notification. All of these are settings that we can easily change within the code. So if you open the settings folder, this file controls at what price we want to receive a notification. You can change this to whatever you want. It just has to be a number. At shipping location, I put US, and product casings are the products we want to scan. These are basically IDs for the products. Now, why don't we just give it links instead of this? Well, the problem with links is that the same link can use to refer to all of these products. So to tell the bot exactly what we want to scan, we have to get the product ASIN. You can find that if you scroll over here at the item details. And this is the ASIN. You just copy this, then paste it over here. Now the bot is going to automatically scan it. You can add here as many products as you want. It works for 5 and it works for 50,000. Doesn't really matter. So when the price drops below 300, we're going to get a notification. The bot is going to send a notification to Telegram, but since the code is open source, you can change this to anything you want. To connect the script with Telegram, you need to create a new bot. So search up @botfather, then click this. Then just click start and click /new bot. Now we're going to pick a new name for the bot. I'm just calling it Amazon HasData bot. Then I'm going to send this. Now we also need a username for the bot and it must end with the word bot. So I'm just going to copy and paste this and send it over. Now this is your HTTP API token. You're going to click to copy it. Back to the code, you're going to create a new file. Then you're going to call it exactly like this, .env. Then you're going to put this in. Bot token and bot chat ID. We already have the bot token, so we're just going to paste it. Now we just need the chat ID. This chat ID is going to tell the bot to which chat to send messages to. We want the bot to send messages to us, so we're going to make a new chat ID with the bot. Back on Telegram, we're going to click the first link. Now we're just going to start the bot. We're going to send a random message to the bot so we can create a chat. Now the easiest way to get the chat ID is to go over to Telegram bot, then just run this file. This script is going to print out all the chat IDs that the bot has access to. Since we are the only ones that message the bot, we only get our ID. So we're going to copy it and paste it to the .env file. Okay, so back to the scanning. A lot of people are scraping products on Amazon. Amazon knows this fact and doesn't like it very much. So if it sees that you're sending too many requests from the same IP, then it's going to ban you. So how are we going to scan the products without getting banned? There are basically two options. Option 1 is writing code with Selenium. Now, because you're not going to use your own IP address, you have to buy proxies and bot bypass. This can get very complicated very quick, so I will only suggest this option if you are scraping a million products a day. Now, option 2 is a lot better. You don't have to write code, you don't have to deal with proxies and bot bypass. If you use our API, we already handle all the code and we buy proxies and bot bypass in bulk, so we can make it faster and cheaper for you to scrape this information. If you click the first link in the description, you get a free trial, no credit card needed. You can sign up for free, you have nothing to lose. If you didn't like it, then you didn't commit any money to it. Then you'll go to API keys, hover the default key, then click to copy. Then you're going to open up the .env file, make a variable exactly like this, then you're going to paste it over here. Now finally, you can run the bot in the main.py file. Scroll down to the bottom so you can change how often you want the bot to scan. I set it up so it's going to scan every hour. Now all there's left to do is just run the script. You can leave this running forever. And when it finds a deal, it's going to send you a message on Telegram. At the output folder, the bot is going to save a history of all the scans that it made. Right now, nothing is dropping below 300, so we don't really receive a notification. But if I change this to 390, we should expect a notification. And there we go, we got 2 new messages. The first one has a cheaper price than the second one. And now, if I want to buy it, I can just copy the title, then just paste it to Amazon, and here we go. Now I can buy it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I promise we will help you. Hit subscribe, then YouTube will show more videos from us to help you with your scraping problems. Thank you for watching. Take care.